Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement on the day, but even more so than price movement when you compare all the volume that actually happened. Huge amount of volume. In fact, it gets to the point where when you look back through the history of the chart, it almost makes it look like the chart has never had volume before today, but not the case. It just shows, how much volume actually did, come about today. So let's start with some areas of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right here at $6.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.60, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can maintain above there, that would certainly be the biggest sign of strength by far. Next area of support after that, down here at that point, and that sits at $6.35. So short-term wise, 660, and then 635 near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things, maybe you're saying, look, Clay, I just care about the grand scheme of things, the big picture health of the move. How am I defining the move? Well, basically what happened today. This right here being quote-unquote the move. So how can you gauge the health of that in a very straightforward way? That's where this purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to keep on moving its way upwards and looking something like that. So like I said, simply put, as far as gauging the health of the move, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these key battlegrounds at? For this, I believe I'm going to have to go to another time frame. Maybe not. Nope, not quite. I realize it's much harder to see now, but this is a good problem to have because we're going way back into the chart's history. So the next key area of resistance, that makes it easy, right up there at $7. So keep an eye on that going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it. Very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.